Hi there Wargamers, Dan, DeathBringa Cain here, bringing another unboxing. I'm joined again this time by Adam, goes by Prospero on the blog and the Facebook page sometimes.
When I post.
Yeah, when he posts. We're unboxing a ship that I picked up recently. This time it's actually mine. It's the scum ship, the Kihraxz fighter. I had to get one of these because I love the look of it. It looks really nice. So that's this time, because Adam didn't. It's not been my colleague's
decision.
It's still in its packaging because it was. I haven't got round to it yet. So get the packaging out of the way and see if this box can foil me as like they normally do. So, aha! Right. So we've got the card components. Lovely, nice thing with your little.
You notice on the back there, if you turn it over, we have Disney on the back there.
Oh my god! Ah! Evil Empire. A different kind of empire.
So it's not until we have the TIE fighter shaped like Mickey Mouse's ears or something.
Yes,
there we go.
It's Darth Mickey.
Well, I don't want to see what the new Death Star is going to look like.
Oh god, it's like yeah, mouses. Anyway, guys, enough procrastination. Let's get on to the actual model and stop.
Never.
Yes. All right. Yes. Okay. We'll
Should we pause as a result of messing around?
Nah. Let's carry on. Right. So we'll get the fighter out of the box.
It is a great model here.
We're going to get the fighter out of the box.
Yeah, and this is how it's going to perform for you in games.
Yes.
Okay.
In its own box. Can't hit this in and can't be hit. So let's have a bit further zoom in, see if we can get that even better. Let's have a look. Is that going to focus on me? Nope. Too close. There we go. Just enough.
No shit, that small has a cloaking device.
Yes. So lovely little paint job on here. I'm loving the two-tone effect they've got going on here. Reminds me of like a kind of a Klingon bird of prey, but that's just me. But lovely little design, nice and sleek, and looks quite punishing. Are these engines or are these some kind of missile pod? Who knows? Could be engines, could be missile pods. Only time will tell. But a lovely little model. Lovely paint job as well, I think. Okay guys, back after a short introduction by the wife. I love her dearly, but never mind. Nice looking model, so let's move on to the card components. Oh, and just sort of say you get a base. I've seen that before though.
Paused.
Yeah, speak among yourselves while I extract the cards from the cunningly tight bag that Fantasy Flight put it in, but we love them dearly for plastic bags. Ha! There we go. So, as per usual, we've got two. You can't see that, so we'll go a bit wider.
No,
two things. Oh, double D, lovely jubbly, nice and weighty and hefty. Oh, 2 K-turns I'm seeing already on the dial. So let's zoom a bit closer in so you can see that, guys. It's quite a bit of green there. Some nice 1-speed manoeuvres and 2s with greens, but we've also.
I see a 5 K-turn.
Yeah, a 5 and a 4 K-turn.
Nice.
So we got. Oh, it's double Qs. I do apologise. It's QQ, not D. It's not double D.
It's not the brain with you today, is it?
It's not dumb as. Anyway, so and the other things, nice card stock, lovely little dials, thingies. These things. Anyway, guys, we'll go on to the actual pilot cards. So as per usual, you get 4 in the pack. So we'll start from the lowest generic. And we'll move all the way up. As per usual, lovely artwork on the cards. 20 points. Quite punchy with 3 attack dice and 2 dodge, and a total of 5 possible damage, but only the 1 shield, so you could get a cropper of critical hits. And we've got focus and target lock. Oh, we've got elicit and missiles as upgrades though. That could be quite useful.
And to be fair, you could run just 5 of them with nothing.
Yeah. Next we move on to the Black Sun Ace. For 23 points, he gains the elite pilot skill option.
And 3 pilot skill as well. Look at that, 2 up to 5 there.
Yeah, quite a jump. So next we've got our first named pilot. We've got Kihraxz the Hunter.
Oh.
Yes, I can pronounce that one. Let's have a look. When defending, if the attacker is inside your firing arc, roll 1 additional defense dice. Oh, sorry, when defending.
When defending,
yeah, that makes more sense.
Does, yeah.
Yes. If you read things correctly, guys, it makes a lot more sense. So 25 points for him.
No elite upgrade on him, but then he's got his own inbuilt talent.
So then we've got a pilot skill 9 fella.
No, this is significant. 9.
Talonbane Cobra. What a name. A
lot of self-publicists here.
Yeah, he sounds dangerous. Whether or not he's going to be dangerous is another thing to say. So
he's got PR people, him.
Yes.
A name like that.
Okay, what's his pilot ability? When attacking or defending, double the effect of your range combat bonuses. Oh, that's quite nice.
So range 1.
You get an extra 2 dice instead of 1.
That's 5. That's I mean, Phantoms are. That's Phantom territory there, isn't it?
And when you get shot at range 2, range 3 rather, sorry, you get an extra 2 defense dice, so it takes you to 4. So not allowed to take damage at extreme range, and really quite a lot of potential for some real pain at close range from your opponent.
Got a missile slot there, so I mean, is there anything that does like a lot of damage close up?
Yeah, but it's not only the primary weapons that give you bonuses.
Of course. It's like they've thought of everything.
Yeah, quite. So you've got an elite pilot talent available. But again, 28 points, quite expensive. But then again, it could be quite powerful.
He is pilot skill 9, so I mean, he can certainly stand up there with similar pilots, I think.
Right, guys, on to the upgrade cards. We started off with Kihraxz. Interesting picture we got there. For 1 point, when attacking a ship inside your firing arc, you may discard this card to cancel one of the defender's evade results. That's quite nice.
It's not bad for that one-use bonus, I suppose.
1 point for a one-use only card. That's quite usable. And then we've got Lightning Reflexes, another 1 point upgrade.
Small ship only.
That's good. I like to see something for the small ships. 2 minutes, too much stuff for concentrate on the big ships. So after you execute a white or green manoeuvre on your dial, you may discard this card to rotate your ship 180 degrees. Oh, so it's a K turn without being a K turn. So then we receive 1 stress token after the check pilot stress step. Interesting. Didn't even know there was a check pilot stress step.
I believe that's something in the new core set. They've sort of been a bit clearer about that.
Yeah.
But we'll
so
discover
Predator,
that
we've seen this from before, but still quite nice. Another card to have. 3 points. When attacking, you may reroll 1 attack dice. If the defender's pilot skill is 2 or low, you may reroll 2 attack dice. That's quite nice. So 1 reroll or 2 if they've got a very low pilot skill. Then we've got homing missiles, which we've seen before, so we won't draw too much on that. That's 5 points. And then Glitter Stim. So what we've got here, we've got 2 points. It's illicit upgrade for your scum pilot only. So let's have a look. At the start of the combat phase, you may discard this card to receive 1 stress token. If you do, until the end of the round when attacking or defending, you may change all your focus results to a hit or an evade result. That's quite nice.
So you just go super powered for
ultimate focus for 1 round. Yeah, so that's.
You'd have to be careful about where you end up after doing that, I suppose, because you will be stressed after doing it. But that's pretty.
Actually, well, since at the start of the combat phase, it's not an action, so you can target lock someone. So you could get the best of both worlds for 1 round. Or if you're expecting to receive a lot of shots, so that's really quite a nice upgrade for 2 points. Okay, guys, that was the Kihraxz fighter, or the Kihraxz, or however it's pronounced, because they like to throw X's and Z's in there just to confuse me. Okay, guys, drop a comment below of what you think of the ship, or any of the plans you've got, and pointing and
it's back in the box. Isn't it?
Back in the box.
Ship.
Oh yes.
We usually finish up with
showing
off the ship again.
Showing off the ship, yeah, of course we do. This is always what we do. Thank you for pointing that out. So, it's a Kihraxz fighter. Drop a comment below what you think of this little model, what the rules entail within and what you think it could do to the game. Drop a like below, it really helps the channel out if you could. And subscribe if you haven't already. Okay, thanks guys, thanks for watching. We'll be back with some more unboxing in a moment. And we'll be seeing you around. Bye bye guys.
See ya.